Today we're going to make stewed turkey drumsticks. So we have here in the bowl the drumsticks. We're going to get ready to clean them. So let's get started. I have here some vinegar that I'm going to pour all over the drumsticks. And I also have a lime. If you have a lemon, you can use. So I've squeezed the lime and the vinegar is in the drumsticks. So we're going to add some water and let this mixture mix up. Let the water cover it. Okay. And this is going to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so I've cleaned the turkey drumsticks and now we're going to season it. So into this bowl we're going to add onion powder, garlic powder, and also add in paprika, about a teaspoon. I'm also adding turkey seasoning. I'm also adding some adobo all-purpose seasoning. Black pepper. And I'm also using, this is a favorite of mine, it's a ginger garlic pimento blend. So I'm also just going to use like a 1/4 teaspoon of it. And I'm also using crushed red peppers. I don't have any pimento berries, but I did have the ground allspice, so I'm just going to use a little bit of that as well. So that's it for the dry seasoning. Then we're going to add the fresh seasoning to the pot. I'm going to add some browning. Now I'm going to toss this up, mix the browning into the meat. So this is what it looks like after we have mixed all of the dry seasoning and the browning together. We're going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes as well. Some people leave it for an hour, but for the sake of this video, and also I'm in a rush today, I'm just going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I have here in this pot some herb infused oil that my mom made. So I just put about a tablespoon of it in the pot to heat up. Then when this heats up, we're going to add the meat. So I test the oil by grating 1 garlic clove. So now it's ready to add the meat. The garlic has gotten a chance to toast very nicely in the oil. So we're going to let this cook and we're going to come right back. Guys, the bowl that the turkey was in, don't discard of it because it still has the dry seasoning with the browning mixed in there. We're going to take some water and mix it up together and toss it on the turkey. To this pot, I've grated the garlic. I'm adding some of the tomatoes, some of the green peppers, some yellow pepper, some of the onions, the carrots, and some of the scallions. I have heated some water in my kettle that I'm going to add to the bowl with the seasoning. Now that I have collected all of the seasoning from the bowl that the turkey was in, I'm going to add this to the pot. So this is what the bowl looks like. I have gotten all of the seasoning out. I'm going to add some more hot water to cover the turkey so it can cook, and we'll come back. So after seasoning the turkey with the fresh seasoning, this is what I have left on the platter. I still have the thyme, the parsley, the cilantro. I have a little bit of tomato. I have some scallion left, some green and yellow sweet pepper mix left. I'm going to put the Scotch bonnet pepper last, and I'm going to add the potatoes. So this is what it looks like when I've added the water. We're going to turn this on medium to high heat and let this cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. We're going to also cover it. Guys, so we're back after 40 minutes and this is what it looks like. So we're going to add the rest of the seasoning. We want to flavor up. So I've added a little bit of ketchup. So I've added all of the seasoning that was still on the plate, and now we're going to add some water so that the rest of the seasoning can cook. We can add the Scotch bonnet pepper now. We can now flavor this up with a little bit of salt, just about a teaspoon. I have a small piece of butter that was in the fridge, so I'm going to add it to the pot. Now we're going to stir this and cover it up and let it cook. So guys, there you have it. This is what it looks like when it's finished. The water has reduced and it's all done. We're going to plate this and get ready to eat. So guys, there you have it. Stewed turkey in my Caribbean kitchen. Thank you for visiting AJ Caribbean Kitchen. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend, comment. Okay guys, enjoy.